morning, everyone. Let me get you locked in here. So it has been quite a while since I've done a day in the life vlog with you guys, and I thought today it'd be a good day to just bring you along on some of the things that happen in our daily life here on La Casita Jardin. So I'm going to go on ahead and work on getting our day started, and that usually involves breakfast for the girls, and it will also involve a workout for me, and I will see you a little bit later on this vlog, okay? Often forget how challenging that workout is. At least for me anyway, it's challenging. For those of you who are wondering what I do a combination of dancing and Ballet Beautiful. So you can check those out at your discretion. But now it's time to get cleaned up and then get some food in my belly and start working on some work for here on the homestead. I have a blog that I need to write, and then I have a newsletter to put together, along with doing some work on an additional web page for our website. So those of you who don't know, we do have a website. You can check out everything there. The blog is there. You can keep up with our videos there as well. There's also a spot where you can sign up for the newsletter, just in case you're interested in that. And the newsletter will keep you up to date on all of the extra stuff that's going on here. But the new page that we're adding on is going to be primarily a resource page for urban gardeners. So troubleshooting stuff, where to find certain equipment, what we recommend as far as planters and places to go to buy seeds. We're building out a web page with all of that so that it's all in one spot where you can easily access it and get what you need to start your garden, no matter how big or how small you are. So let me go on ahead. I'm gonna get cleaned up, get hydrated, then get cleaned up, and I will see you back here a little bit later. Okay, I am currently getting my cup of coffee here ready. And then I'm going to go and sit down on the couch here with my dogs and work on writing that blog. Depending upon how lazy they are, we may just go on ahead and work on the web page at the same time as well. So we'll just have to play that by ear and see how it goes. But one of the things that I have not done yet is I have not officially introduced you guys to our newest addition to the homestead, Bella. I've been working with her now for about three weeks. And she's a rescue miniature dachshund. And she's teeny tiny. She's a itty bitties baby. So we rescued her about 3 weeks ago. And today, that's her. Mom and I joke that we now officially have a teeny weenie. I know, horrible joke. But she's actually not been, she's had some diarrhea issues going on. We've taken her to the vet. We've given her all of her shots and checked her for everything, obviously, because we still have Macy here. So Roxy passed away in October. She had cancer, and we went on ahead and we put her down. So she's no longer here. You guys may have noticed that, may have not noticed that, I'm not sure. But it took a little bit for us to get to where we were okay with bringing another girl in, and we actually contemplated not having another dog. And Macy just was not coping real well being by herself. It's what it really boiled down to. And so we went on ahead and we decided to start looking around, and we wanted a dachshund that was a little bit older, hopefully closer to her age. And we were told that Bella was 5 years old. She's not 5. She's 3. Yeah, so she's still a baby. And coming in, she was pretty cowed. Still is a little cowed at times, so we're working on that. She's getting more confident. More of her personality is starting to come out. But you'll be seeing her more on the vlogs as spring and summer roll around, and you'll probably get to see her personality come out around the same time that we do. But let's go on ahead and get some work started here, and hopefully this little baby will start feeling better. Don't know what's going on exactly, but I'm just going to kind of keep a watch on her and then call the vet if I feel like things haven't resolved. She's not going to have any food. We're just going to let her fast for a little while. Usually that will help take care of any stomach issues that dogs end up having. So we'll let her fast and just rest today. It's kind of rainy out anyway, so that'll end up working out. But let's go on ahead and get this blog and all written and get that coffee into my system because I obviously need it. And we'll talk to you guys a little bit later today. Okay, I ended up wiggling here. I ended up needing to take a little bit of a break, but that sort of worked out anyway because I actually have a sourdough starter that I am working on starting. We had a freeze-dried sourdough starter that we got from Azure Standard, and I'm actually filming another video on this, so you'll probably be seeing that before you see this day in the life vlog. So I'm technically filming all at once, although you may end up seeing this vlog first. Yeah, you'll probably see this vlog first because this is going to take about a week total for me to be able to get to the point where I have sourdough starter for bread baking. So you'll probably see this vlog before you see the official sourdough starter video. But I needed a break from sitting down and writing. For the most part, I've been pretty well dogpiled. The dogs have been wanting to be close today, which I can't exactly blame them for that. It's been a rainy day for the most part. The sun's just now started to come out, so that's nice. It's not too cold out, which is also good considering Bella's not been, feeling too good and we've been going in and out. So I've had my little bit of a break. I'm going to go on ahead. I'm going to sit down and finish up that blog. I did get distracted working on our logo. We're trying to get our logo set up so that we can LLC things. So we're just trying to get some things, ideas and concepts ironed out that we like for our logo. But let's go on ahead and get that blog post finished. And then I do have some soap that needs to be cut this afternoon so that it can start to really thoroughly dry before the end of next month, because I've got a show coming up. So let me go on ahead and put you guys back on hyperlapse, and we will get to going through this afternoon here, okay? There's nothing quite like an afternoon cup of hot chocolate. It's very rare that I do anything like this. I figured, it's been a good day. It's been a productive day, and I might as well go on ahead and enjoy a little bit of life in the middle of it. Life's short. You dessert first. Okay guys, so I just got done roasting some chicken. That is for dinner. And I am going to sit down and enjoy the Three Musketeers. And I haven't done a day in the life vlog in a while. I don't know, it's kind of an awkward time of year to be doing a day in the life vlog, I feel like, but maybe not, I don't know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this really quick glimpse into what a slow winter day looks like for us here on La Casita Jardin. So as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.